Hey, it's Jason, and I'm off to Hershey. Hershey is a legendary, it's like an institution of car people, car guys, car swap, car parts, car shows. Everything you could imagine is at Hershey. You might hear the excitement in my voice a little bit. I do like Hershey more than Carlisle. Personal preference, only because of the types of cars I own. I tend to find more stuff at Hershey because I'm not a big hot rodder, as you know. But in any event, look, I just went to the RM Sotheby's auction. Absolutely stunning vehicles. I mean, I was, basically in $1 million brass cars and Duesenbergs, and absolutely beautiful. And now I'm taking some time to go over to the auction, to go over to the Hershey Park, where they have a 4-day massive car swap. I mean, this thing has been going on since the 50s. It's awesome. And I'm going to do a little video to show it. I'm going to do it similar to Carlisle and how I did Hershey in years past. I'm not going to do a ton of talking. I'm going to do a little more talking as to how I park and how I navigate to get there. So that way, if you watch this video, you can understand what it's like. A few tips. Bring cash. Very few of these people would take anything but cash. Bring a book bag if you're buying small things. If you're buying big things, bring a wagon. And you're gonna be walking. Put your walking shoes on. I literally have Nike running shoes on. And it's rain or shine. So it's gloomy today. There's a chance of rain in the forecast. Doesn't stop Hershey. You're gonna have an umbrella, they're gonna have tents up, you're gonna keep doing your thing. But this is just a week when you want to be here if you like cars and you like history. I mean, look at that. There's a car being towed right now to the auction. You're going to be surrounded by like-minded people that have a passion for the history and preservation of all things automotive. So it's an absolute blast. I'm going to go ahead and be quiet. I'm kind of taking a bit of an oddball way to get here just because I'm coming from Hershey Lodge and I'm trying to snake in to get to parking near the giant convention center, which is where I do like to park. So stay tuned. Once I get closer, I'll turn this back on. See that I basically cut right through, and you can see to my right maybe there's a little bit of cars and whatnot, but I'm gonna want to park, so I'm just gonna go down here and I'm gonna hook a right on Hershey Park Drive, and that's gonna let me park over in one of the fields over there, and then you basically will walk across Hershey Park Drive to get to the fields. Park Drive, so this is as if you were going to the event or to the theme park. You can see over here everything, and I'm gonna want to get in my left lane because like these folks over here are crossing, I'm gonna actually want to cross this road and park over on this side, and then the event is all over here on the parking. So that's what I'm saying. It's a lot of walking. In the summer, these fields are usually corn stalks. They cut everything down, and I think parking's 10. It might be 20 bucks. Great. Hi, how you doing?
Hello.
Just put that on my dash, I guess.
Yep.
All right, thank you. 20 bucks. You get your auto parking ticket, and these fields by the end of the day, they'll be packed. So once you park in the field, you're gonna have a bit of walking to do. Probably a quarter of a mile to actually get in to the event. And the road that I park on is Boathouse Road. So if you're gonna put it in the GPS, Boathouse Road. And this is the pedestrian bridge that I like to come across. All right, we're inside one of the parking areas, and basically you can just see this table set up, and you can take a look at everything under the sun. So no more talking from me. Let me start taking some video. Hey, it's Jason. All right, so I'm done here at Hershey for day one. My initial feedback is I do like it more than Carlisle. They just seem to have better prices. People are a little more willing to negotiate. I didn't see hardly any of the same people. So I was expecting to see more of the same vendors, which I did not see. I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4 things. I spent maybe 70 bucks, 80 bucks on everything. And let me show you. So I got this cool metal cabinet here, or little tiny cabinet, I guess. And I got that for 35 bucks. I got this 1947 book. It's original Chilton guide from 1947. He wanted 20 bucks. He told me I could have it for 10. I don't really have a need for it, but it's pretty wicked in terms of all this cool stuff that it has for all these different vehicles. Just loads and loads of data. I'm really just going to kind of keep this one display in the little museum my son and I are building. I've always wanted one of these cans. So that was 30, that was 10, so I'm at 40. Marvel Mystery Oil, and there's actually some in it. This I did pay 20 bucks for. So I'm at $60 right now. I thought that would be pretty cool to display. And I was digging this sign, 20 bucks. Speedway Drive, not old, but I think it will look cool just hanging. So 30, 40, 60, 20, 80. 80 bucks total is what I spent here at Fall Hershey. I will be back tomorrow again for the auction, and I'm going to do a video of the actual auction. And my wife and I are considering coming up here with our son Saturday. I'll bring a wagon and pull him around just because there's so many old kids toys. But you can see the parking lot filled up nicely. And that's going to be a wrap for my shopping at Fall Hershey. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to my blog. It means a lot to me. Have a great day.